ngasi makha tana patok chawdoriba question amsung answer se civil service examination 2016 da hangkraba question ne patok chage soikiba yawrba su ngakpi gani eigi pronunciation do oiro dum wahi wata da soiba yawrba su ngakpi gani tesing namak ai keno like haidi yam paaba pamjaba hai tare ko ado ai picningai da su aigi oina like se leinaba leikitaba aduna पाबसे इमानबई मानबी ने ngasi पाबा लाइरिक्से अइने चही अनि हुगी मतुंगदा पैसा तुंगसनजरगा अदुमाइना लेजरगा पाजाबने अदुदुना यम वाखिबदुना मरमोइदना अइगुमना वाना होबा मियोइ लेरमगनी हाइना अइना थाजबा लेजे दो केगुम्बा मखोइना अइगी पाथोकचरिबा क्वेश्चन अमसुंग आंसर अइना खगा पाथोकचबसे करिमा मोइना थेंगनबा तारगदी मोइना थेंगनरगा मोइसु हाइदी अइगे पुन्ना पामिनबो ओइना मोइसु येंगबा तारगदी अइंगोंदा वाखिबदो मखोइददि खितंग फगदरा हाइना खल्लगा ए वीडियो से सेमजबनी सोइखिबे यावबा सुंगा पिगने मखाताना पाथोकजगे exercise of CAG's powers in relation to the account of the union and the state is derived from article 149 of the Indian Constitution. Discuss whether audit of the government's policy implementation could amount to overstepping its own CAG jurisdiction. 200 wati gadabane marks na 12 half marks oibda ado ahogi exercise of the CAG's power in relation to the account of the union adagi mo magi and the state is derived from the article 149 of the Indian Constitution ado discuss tawdeni government policy na implementation tawbase kamana tawge duga magi overstepping of its kedoba CAG jurisdiction gi matang da laktoine ado sida article 149 habase si matang da habet hage article 149 je kino hagan it is the source of the duties and the power of the comptroller and the auditor general habedi article 149 je kino hagan the source of duty ne adagi powers ne kanagi power no hagan CAG habedi kedoba comptroller and the auditor general adunga sagi CAG je adum samjalaga CAG adum haijarage CAG self performs as duty moi to base kai no ha matam da moi to duties and exercises power in relation kanaga relation when to ge haiganda to the account of the union and the state or of any other authorized or body as may be prescribed by or under any law made by the parliament any law ma government parliament na symbol law je sigi makhada haide parliament gi makhada semba any law ma sise khoi kedoba union amasung state adigi atopa kedoba any parliament gi makhada semba law sidigi marakta leinaba kedoba magi powers natroga account oiro adugi duties to adigi exercise to kedoba adugi matang da relation dugi matang da makhoina kedoba thabak tobane ado apart from the constitution provision apart from the constitutional provision the CAG sikidaba duties power and condition of service have never act in 1971 the 56 of 1971 also provide for the power of this CAG. The act determines the condition of the service of the CAG of India, the prescribes its duties and power and for the matter connected therewith or incidental thereto. Makatana point CAG is a secret way accountability of the executive to the parliament in the sphere of financial administration through audit report. Thus, the CAG acts as an agent of the parliament. The CAG parliament agent it is the only responsible to the parliament. Any institution can be judged by the character of its office bearer. Any institution just the way I just the way I by the character of its office bearer. In the past few years, the CAG has been proactively involved in propriety audit that is looking into the wisdom, faithfulness, and economy of the government expenditure and commenting of the wastefulness and the extravagance of such expenditure. Although it is this is solely its discretion and thus in many terms even activism beyond its legal mandate. The role of the CAG as the auditor of government's policy implementation is debatable as schedule cast. SC has recently in the Colgate scam cast said that CAG is not merely an accountant, and the office of the CAG also said in statement that it has the mandate to examine and scrutinize public policy. Ado koigi makha tana mu lakom tam any institution ama just tobase by the character of the office variant when high ado in the past few years kara the CAG se ke do proactively involved to ke de proactively involved to ge haiga da magi propriety audit da ado koi sum yengba magi wisdom, faithfulness, adigi economy of the government expenditure, adigi magi commenting of the wastefulness and the extravagance of such expenditure do never ko ado koina discretion adigi tongan makhalgi activities mayam ama uba phange magi kedoba legal mandate ta ado role of a CAG is the kedoba auditor of government policy neba haidi government policy gi implementation mayam se audit to baneba ko ado debatable as SC has recently in the Colgate scam case said that CAG is not merely an accountant, and the office of the CAG also said in the statement that it has the mandate to examine and scrutinize public policy. Koina statement da matsu high magic examine to bane the scrutiny to bane public policy sing do aduna before some time CAG has audited the implementation or the performance of the MNREGA scheme. This is strongly favoring the role of the CAG as the auditor of government policy implementation. Being the agent of the parliament and the responsible of the PAC have the Public Account Committee, which has the role of examining government policy. These actions seems to come with the sphere of PAC and other parliamentary committee. Aduna koina habida office of the CAG se ke the constitutional office ne aduga highly respect we Canada in the country da aduna koi gi constitution mandate amsung magi remember to se ke the limit of the office to ne